Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, Chuck Schumer said that it is not the Senate or the House that is holding up stimulus checks to the people. It is Mitch McConnell that's holding up everything. It is him that does not want a stimulus check. And it is him that won't let stimulus go forward. Chuck Schumer was pleading with Mitch McConnell, please get a bill done now. Let's go to work on this. Let's get it done. Let's work together. Schumer said we need help for our state and local governments. He said the local governments are laying off thousands of workers. That is bus drivers, firefighters, and healthcare workers. Mostly the frontline people that we depend on so much. He also said we need help for renters. And more people are being evicted every day from their homes. He said we need help for small businesses. As you know, Jerome Powell has just said that these small businesses that's closing up, they're going away and they won't come back. He also said we need help for restaurants. Basically, all small business, all service business is hurting very badly right now. Florida Senator Marco Rubio is pushing for a standalone bill for more PPP money. This will only help businesses. It won't do anything for the regular American people like you and me. Sure, it may save a few jobs, but that's about all it's going to do. My big question is, when is somebody going to push for the American people? When is someone going to push for a stimulus standalone bill? Why does big business always get the help and nothing for the American people? I think they need to level the playing field and give everybody help across the board. And they could do this with stimulus checks and a stimulus package, not targeted PPP money just for business. The Fed chair, Jerome Powell, said that most lower paying jobs like restaurant work and bar work and jobs for all service industries may never come back to the level they once were. He says now it's going to be a big shift to high-tech jobs. And that's good if you've got that skill. Most people does not have that skill. So the way I see it, everything was good before the first lockdown. That's when we've lost all the businesses, lost all the jobs. Now those jobs are not coming back. I think the government owes it to the people to educate them for these new jobs. This past week, we have seen a big spike in COVID cases. 46 states are now showing big increases, big spikes in cases. No states is showing decreases in cases. California is the second state now to hit 1 million cases. There are more than 2,000 nurses in Pennsylvania planning to go on strike next week because they feel like they have been pushed to the limit. Y'all, this is just the beginning. There's going to be more healthcare workers, nurses, and doctors leaving their profession because of this. And when we start losing healthcare workers, nurses, doctors, lab technicians, what are we going to do then? We need these people. They deserve more money. They deserve some hours, flexibility in their hours, so they can maintain some type of life with their families. I know my brother-in-law, he works in the lab at a big hospital here. He has been killing himself since this stuff has been going on. He has no time for nothing. This is just the beginning of all these going on strikes and quitting their profession. And then where are we going to be at without them? Some stores across the country are beginning to bring back limits on buying some types of items, like toilet paper, disinfectant wipes, soaps, hand sanitizer, that kind of stuff, because people hoarded it so bad last time. More than 130 Secret Service workers has now tested positive for COVID. These are the same ones that's protecting President Trump and protecting the White House. They have been ordered to quarantine themselves. Y'all, this may not do no good, but not doing it will certainly do no good. I'm asking everyone to call your senators, call your state representatives, call the president, call everyone you can think of, and complain. And please don't be nice when you call them. Let them know your feelings. Will it do any good? Maybe not. But they will hear you. And you will get a chance to blow them away with your words. Words and your voice is the biggest weapon you have right now. Please call the White House switchboard. You can talk to anyone. They will put you in touch with anyone there, except President Trump, but you will talk to one of his staff members. You can talk to any member of the House, any member of the Senate there. You can also call the U.S. Capitol switchboard. You can get the same results there. But call them both and talk to everyone you can think about. Do it every day. Bombard them with your messages. Let them hear your voices. Let them know what you're thinking about them and how their lack of action is affecting you and your family. Let your voices be heard. Call them. I'm going to put the links, the phone numbers to these two switchboards in the description box below. Be sure and call them. And like I said, will it do any good? Maybe not. We've done this before and we're still here. But at least they will hear your words. They will hear your pain through your words. And please don't be nice. I will put the descriptions the phone numbers in the description box below. Be sure and call them. And if you can, call them every day. And when you call them, I urge you, don't be nice. We heard last week from everyone that lockdowns are coming. And then we hear yesterday and the day before yesterday that lockdowns may not be coming, that they're thinking that may not be the right thing for the federal government and the president to order a mandate on a countrywide lockdown. They're saying they're going to leave it up to the governors. How nice of them to leave it up to the governors when that's what they have to do anyway. It's up to the governors to lock down their state. New Mexico and Oregon has been locked down, and other states will probably be jumping on board. But it's going to be the governors that orders it, not the president, not Congress, not the Senate, not the House. It's going to be the governors of the states. So if you don't want a lockdown, when you call these numbers, also talk to your governors. You can do it there too. Y'all, we will get out of this. We will. I know we will. We just have to keep praying. Prayer works, y'all. Not in our time, but in God's time. He has a plan and He's working it out. It's already been worked out. We just don't know it yet. So every day, please say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders, all of our leaders. Please say a prayer for the people that's been hurt by COVID. A prayer for the people that's been hurt by the lack of action by our government. God will see us through this. He will never let us come to a storm that He don't bring us through it. It may not be the outcome that we're seeking, but God knows best. We have to trust in Him. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. And just know I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your thumbs up and your comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, ciao.